Hi, this is Chris at Jazz Time. Today we're going to introduce you to the Rolex Yacht-Master 2 stainless steel Regatta chronograph watch. This is a reference model number 116680. Retail price on this watch is currently $18,750 US. It's a 44 millimeter. It has a stainless steel case. It has a white dial with luminescent hour markers, you can see here. It's a pretty hefty watch. It's also the largest watch that Rolex has to offer. It's just slightly larger than a Rolex Deep Sea Dweller. There's a half polished links, satin finish on the side, mirror finish on the center. Let's have a deployment. Open that up. Chronograph function on this watch is very unique because it measures countdown times rather than a chronograph which goes upward in numbers. So it counts downwards rather than upwards. I'm going to show you how that chronograph works here. Most of you are probably not going to be using this function race your yacht, but if you wanted to, then you'd probably use the function. Maybe you can use it to count down something else. First, you need to hold the watch. Make sure the watch is actually running already. You can see the second hand's moving here. The buttons you see on the top right is going to operate the chronograph and stop it. First, you need to press the start-stop button on the top right. You can see that second hand moving. Now you can use this as a chronograph hand as the second hand is easier to read than the subdial second hand. Some people might want to use the running chronograph hand so you can see the seconds. You can also use the top right button to stop that. And the bottom right would actually reset this hand back to the 12 o'clock position, like that. Now, what I would do here is stop the chronograph hand and reset it back to the 12 o'clock position. Once you have that done, you can actually grab the bezel and you're going to turn it counterclockwise until it clicks into place. Hopefully you heard that click there. This is in the bezel setting condition, so you can set the function. Now after you get this clicked into place, you can actually press the bottom right button here. It's actually you have to press it kind of hard and make it click into place. Now you're actually ready to actually set the function on this Regatta racing chronograph. Once you pull out this crown, you're going to be noticing that there's a triangle hand in here that's going to be moving around. Hopefully you guys saw that. You can see that I can set the minutes as far as how many minutes we're going to count down from. And if you keep on going further, it's going to go back to the 0. Okay, so if you want to count down for 10 minutes, you can be counting down to this 10-minute mark here. Okay, so if you wanted to count down to 5 minutes, you'd be doing it again. So in this case, we're going to set it to the 5 for you. And then at that time, we're going to go ahead and press this back in. And we're going to turn that bezel and lock this into place. So you notice when I turn the bezel, it actually pops this bottom right button back out. It's ready to go. Okay, so when you're actually counting down, basically you're going to be pressing the top right button here and start that countdown. If you look really closely, you'll be able to see this triangle hand start moving towards the 4-minute marker. And when it starts to count down, and once it actually hits 0 right here, you can start your race. You can always reset it back to the 12 o'clock position and reset back to the 5. Okay. This watch has a really great feel. It's a great everyday watch for you. It's going to stand the test of time. Very well built watch. Thanks for watching us here at Jazz Time. Hope you enjoyed our review.